In this video, I would like to cover how you can develop great communication skills. And as you can probably guess, communication skills are extremely important for leaders. So first of all, what exactly are great communication skills? So whenever you talk to someone, it should not be a monologue. It should always be a dialogue. So any conversation, any talk, anything that you have with another person should be a dialogue. So you want to make sure that you don't talk down to people, but that you both are always on the same level. Now, when you flip the entire thing and people, for instance, talk down to you, this is of course not the right thing either, because then these people don't have a lot of respect for you and don't think that you are the leader. So make sure all the time that the other person feels appreciated, but that you both are on the same level, that you talk on the same level. So furthermore, never ask closed questions. So when you, for instance, ask a question that you already know the answer of, then you seem cocky. It is perhaps just that you neglect, let's say, the other person. Always have an open mind for their answer. Never assume that you are right, because assuming makes an ass of you and me. This is one of the first rules that I learned when I moved to the United States. Because I assumed a lot of things. I assumed that these people would understand me. I assumed a lot of things. But in the end, this assumption was just simply not correct. It made an ass of you and me. So additional problems in a company, for instance, or in a company culture could be extreme authority, could be acting defensively to criticism, could be creating fear inside your company, could be so many things. So in whatever sense you talk about leadership, you always need to think about how can I communicate with people on the same level. Because if you talk down to people, they don't feel appreciated. If people talk down to you, then you're probably not a leader. Always make sure that you are on the same level. And for that, we always need to figure out what these people are all about. If we do not know what these people are about, how they behave, what kind of problems they have, how they feel about you, if we don't know all of these things, it is easy for them to talk down to you, or of course, it is easy for you to talk down to them. Alright, so that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next one.